Hi, I'm Rick Escobar, one of the developers of the KidWalk. I'm going to go through today and show you how to assemble the KidWalk. I have the box flipped upside down to make the assembly a lot easier. And this is going to be on my I Can Walk 2 website, icanwalk2.com. And there's about 120 slides in that website that tells you how to use the KidWalk and the benefits of it and stuff. Okay, I'm just going to use a key right now and hit the tape here. Key in there. There are staples, and you could take pliers and pull them out, but I'm just going to pop this. But just be careful, don't cut yourself. I usually just close my eyes here when I do this. I don't want them popping and hitting me. There we go. Drop this off. This here here's the frame, it's right here. And I'm going to attach the anti-tips right now. The anti-tips go off to the side, so that goes to the side this way. I have to loosen this knob right here to lower this down into the frame better, all the way down, there it goes. Okay, I got that one. I'm going to make sure that this angle is going to the outside. The wheel is. This slips in here like that, and you need to push the little button there, spring button. And this has to be pulled out far enough to where it will go into the frame. And then I can go there. I usually lock it right there. And then lock this down tight. That's it for that. Wheels, here's the manual, owner's manual. And inside here is the axle pins that I need. So I'm going to tear a little hole in the top here. Pull out the axle pins. And these axle pins have washers on them. There's two plastic washers. And I'm going to actually pop this wheel out. And you see there's an indentation here where this actually goes into. So this, I'm going to pull off the washers, set this inside of here, push it in. These two washers go on the outside. So there's right there. This is set up to go into the center position. So there's three axle positions here, and it goes into the middle one. The KidWalk they'll come in a package. This will have one or two washers. You got to pull the washers off, push the button, depress the button, pull the washers off. You'll see there's an inset right here on that side. Well, this one here happens to have a rim on it too, so you can tell that's the outside of the wheel. That goes in first. So push the button, slip it in, push it all the way through, and then you need to push the button again and get the two washers on. That's how it's going to set there. And then now you can just put it down. And it comes from the factory in the center position. You'll see there's 3 holes there. That's the farthest hole is for more maneuverability. And if somebody does a lot of weight bearing, you can put the wheel there. That's standard. And if they're leaning a little bit, or they're a little bit heavier, you need to put it to the front hole. But I'm going to put it in the center hole there, so I got to depress the button again, push it in, and you want to make sure that that's snug, and that's good right there. And then the brake goes down here. Pop the wheel off. As you can see, it's packed very well. Pull the mast out. I'm just going to set this down. Grab the other wheel, do the same thing on this side, pop off the 2 washers. You see here, this wheel happens to have and they put that on the side. This actually has hand rims on it. You can't get that feature that somebody wanted that, so we got it that way. This KidWalk also has the cruiser wheels, which you could replace this anti-tip with a cruiser wheel, and then you could pop off the big wheels and just use it like a all-directional, multi-directional walker. I'm going to set the mast on there now. There's a little handle here in the middle. It's kind of the center point of the device. I'm going to set this down. Pull the knob out to the side. There's a knob right here that goes out and drops in. You hear that click. So when you get the KidWalk, it's going to have on the frame, it has this set pin here. You have to pull that out and twist it, and that way it's locked in position. So this is open now, it's free. I'm going to take the mast and set the mast in there, and that just sets right down on there. You see the hole right there, that's where that pin goes in. Goes all the way down, and make sure this is all the way down, and then twist that knob there, and then kind of jiggle it around a little bit, and you see that it clicks in. You want to make sure that clicks in like that. And to pull it out, you want to take a little bit of weight off the front here and pop it right out. This is kind of where my hand is right there. That's kind of like the middle point, and that's where it, if you use that handle right there, it makes it a lot easier to put it in, put it out. That's pretty much how you put it together.